Okay. Fourth problem here. Fourth problem. Sec theta tan theta 0. Sec theta tan theta 0. Tan theta sec theta 0 0 0 1. Values of this. Then d is equal to sec theta tan theta 0 tan theta sec theta 0 0 0 1. Okay, d is equal to sec theta into sec theta minus 0 minus tan theta into tan theta minus 0 plus 0 into काही असेल काही अडचण येणार नाही. d is equal to sec theta into sec theta minus tan theta into tan theta plus 0. d is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, and sec square theta minus tan square, we have to study in 10th class. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square, but 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, d is equal to value is 1. Okay, this is the examples. Then only two articles. Minor of an element and cofactor of an element. A is equal to A is equal to Aij. A is equal to Aij is a determinant. Understand here? Means D is equal to Dij. Okay, D is a determinant. Dij, I is row and Dij, I is row and J is column. Understand here? हे मॅट्रिक्स डिटर्मिनंट आणि मॅट्रिक्स दोन्ही बी एकाच टाईपचे टॉपिक आहेत. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, मॅट्रिक्स म्हणल्यानंतर इन रेक्टँग्युलर ब्रॅकेट अँड डिटर्मिनंट्स मीन्स टू व्हर्टिकल लाईन. अँड इन दिस डिटर्मिनंट ओनली परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर एलिमेंट. आणि इथं m नंबर्स, m इंटू n नंबर्स. अंडरस्टँड हियर, एवढाच डिफरंट आहे. इथं किती नंबर्स असू शकतात, एक एलिमेंट साईड मॅट्रिक्स असू शकतोय, पण डिटर्मिनंटमध्ये 4 और 9 और 16 हेच नंबर्स पाहिजे तरच तो डिटर्मिनंट होऊ शकतोय. ओके, मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट पाहायचं आपल्याला. मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट, मॅट्रिक्सचा मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट काय असतं, A is equal to Aij, be any matrix, any square matrix of any order, then says that by eliminating first row and first column, then remaining part is the matrix of order n minus 1, then values of this determinant is called as minor of an element and it is denoted by Mij. असा हा मॅट्रिक्सचा पार्ट आहे. आता इथे डिटर्मिनंटमध्ये नवीन आर्टिकल टाकलं आहे डिटर्मिनंटमध्ये, ते पण तशाच पद्धतीनं पाहू आपण. मायनर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. Minor of an element Mij. Okay, Mij. Mij. Suppose, for example, 1 2 3 4. Suppose, okay, what is the minor of an element? In this determinant 2 into 2, order is 2 into 2. There are 4 minor of an element. There are 4 minor of an element. First minor of an element m11. Second minor of an element m12. Third minor of an element m21. Fourth minor of an element m22. How to find minor of an element? if D be the any determinant of order n, then minor affine element of the given determinant is by eliminating ith row and jth column. By eliminating ith row and jth column, then remaining part is the determinant of order n minus 1. Then values of this determinant is called as minor affine element. In this determinant of order 2 into 2. Suppose 1 2 3 0 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 2 1 0. Okay. Then what is the minor affine element in this matrix? In this determinant 3 into 3. Determinant of order is 3 into 3. There are 9 minor affine element: m11, m12, m13, m21, m22, m23, m31, m32, m33. How to find minor affine element? If determinant of order is 2 into 2, there are 4 minor affine element. If determinant of order 3 into 3, how to find minor affine element? First, there are 9 minor affine element, and then to find the first minor affine element, also with determinant of order 2 into 2, find the first minor affine element. Understand here? Both are same. Understand here? Then, first, in this minor affine element, by eliminating ith row and jth column, by eliminating first row and first column, it means I is row and j is column. I is row and j is column. Then by eliminating first row and first column, remaining part is the determinant of order n minus 1. This is the n order. Then हे एक काढल्यामुळे काय झाला n minus 1 म्हणजे 4. Then the values of this determinant is called as minor affine element. Then this value is equal to 4. This is a minor affine element. Okay. M12 first row second column means A cancel झाला. Minor affine element M12 3. Okay. Second row first column. Minor affine element is 2, and second row second column minor affine element is 1. This is called as minor. एवढं सोपं आहे बेटा, एवढं सोपं आहे. सपोज आता हे झालं 2 into 2 साठी. In this determinant of order 3 into 3, then by eliminating ith row and jth column, म्हणजे एलिमिनेट करायचं ith row and j column, means I is equal to 1 आहे, j is equal to 1 आहे, म्हणजे first row first column. By eliminating first row and first column, हे आणि हे असं काढून टाकू. Remaining part is the determinant of order 2 n minus 1, म्हणजे 2 into 2 is equal to, लिहून टाकू तसं, minus 1 1 1 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Second is equal to फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम एलिमिनेट करायचं आपल्याला, म्हणजे हे ॲज इट इज राहणार आहे. ओके. सेकंड मग काय राहिलं 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 0 ओके इज इक्वल टू 0 minus 2 इज इक्वल टू -2. थर्ड हे ह्याला काढायचं आणि हे असं करायचं, असं असेल. मग काय झालं 0 minus 1 2 1 0 minus 1 2 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore m11 is equal to -1. Therefore m12 is equal to -2. Therefore m13 is equal to 2. समजते? देन सब सेम आहेच. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला, फर्स्ट रो कंप्लीट झाला. ओके. आता पाहिजे आपल्याला I is equal to 2 सेकंड रो, हे सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम काय राहिलं 2 3 1 0 2 3 1 0. मग सांगा 0 minus 3 is equal to -3. Therefore m21 is equal to -3. सोपं आहे. थर्ड सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम हे कॅन्सल होणार आहे, म्हणजे हे ॲज इट इज राहील. सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम मग काय झालं 1 3 2 0 1 3 2 0. मग काय झालं 0 minus 6 is equal to -6. Therefore m22 is equal to -6. थर्ड सेम आहेच. ह्याला काढायचं आहे आपल्याला, हे करायचं आहे, म्हणजे असं होईल म्हणजे काय झालं 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 म्हणजे काय झालं 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, M23 is equal to minus 3. ओके. आता सेम हे झालं सेकंड कॉलम झाला. आता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, सेकंड रो झाला, थर्ड कॉलम झाला. आता काय पाहिजे, 3 1 थर्ड कॉलम ॲज इट इज. मग अगोदर हे झाला 2 3 minus 1 1, 2 3 minus 1 1 minus 1 1. हे झाला 1 3 0 1 1 3 0 1 आणि लास्ट हे झाला 1 2 0 minus 1 1 2 0 minus 1. मग इज इक्वल टू 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. minus 1 minus 0 is equal to minus 1. मग काय असेल, M31 is equal to 5, M32 is equal to 1, M33 is equal to minus 1. समजतंय? This is a minor of an element. All these element Mij is called as minor of an element. Mij is called minor of an element. If determinant of order 2 into 2, there are 4 minor of an element. If determinant of order 3 into 3, there are 9 minor of an element. Means, what is then definition of minor of an element? What is the definition of minor of an element? Minor of an element means if D is the any determinant of order, then to find the minor of an element Mij. How to find the minor of an element Mij? By eliminating ith row and jth column. Then remaining part is the determinant of order n minus 1. Then values of this determinant is called as minor of an element and it is denoted by Mij. Then definition of the minor of an element. Write down here definition of minor of an element. Define minor of an element. Definition. What is the definition? If D is any determinant of order n, then Mij is the minor of an element. Mij is the minor of an element of the given determinant. Then by eliminating ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. Then remaining part is determinant of order n minus 1. Then values of this determinant values of this determinant is called minor of an element and it is denoted by Mij and it is denoted by Mij, where I is row and J is column. Okay, what is the minor of an element? If D is any determinant of order n, then Mij is the minor of an element of the given determinant. Then by eliminating ith row and jth column then remaining part is the determinant of order n minus 1, then the values of this determinant is called minor of an element, and it is denoted by mij, where I is row and j is column. Okay, means what is mean by the minor of an element? Minor of an element of the given determinant is mij. Suppose determinant of order 2 into 2, there are 4 minor of an element, and determinant of order 3 into 3, there are 9 minor of an element. How to find minor of an element? For example, here these two examples. Okay, then to find the minor of an element of the following examples, minor of an element. For example, D is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, then D is equal to determinant of order 2 into 2. Then there are 4 minor of an element: M11, M12, M21, M22. Therefore, first row, first column. By eliminating first row, first column, minor of an element is D. First row, second column. First row, second column. Minor of an element is C. Second row, first column. Minor of an element is B. And second row, second column. Minor of an element is A. By eliminating ith row and jth column. Second row, second column. Second row, first column. First row, second column. First row, first column. Okay. Then third, second example. This is the first example. This is the second example. D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is the determinant of order 3 into 3. There are 9 elements. 3 into 3. There are 9 minor of an element. Then first minor of an element M11, M12, M13 are the first minor of an element. First row, first column. First row, first column. One remaining part is determinant of order 2 into 2. Then values of this determinant is called as minor of an element. 1, 0, 2, 1. 1, 0, 2, 1. Among values of this, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, M11 is equal to 1. Minor of an second minor of an element 1, 2. म्हणजे 1 means row, 2 means column. Here 1, 2. 4, 0 minus 1, 1. 4, 0 minus 1, 1, okay, is equal to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore, M12 is equal to 4. Okay, M13, first row, third column. First row, third column. 4, 1 minus 1, 2. 4, 1 minus 1, 2 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, M13 is equal to 9. Okay, this first row, by eliminating first row, then first column, second column, third column. Then M21 is equal to second row, by eliminating second row and first column. 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, is equal to 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, M21 is equal to minus 4. M22 is equal to M22 second row, second column. Second row, second column. 1, 3 minus 1, 1. 1, 3 minus 1, 1. 1, 3 minus 1, 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, M22 is equal to 4. M23 is equal to second row, third column. Okay, second row, third column. 1, 2 minus 1, 2. 1, 2 minus 1, 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, M23 is equal to also 4. M31 is equal to M31 third row, first column. 2, 3, 1, 0. 2, 3, 1, 0 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, M31 is equal to minus 3. M32 is equal to third row, second column. third row second column 1340 is equal to 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 12, therefore M32 is equal to minus 12 and M33 is equal to third row third column 1241 is equal to 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7, therefore M33 is equal to minus 7. All these numbers M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M23, M31, M32, M33, all these 9 numbers is called as minor of an element and it is denoted by Mij. Means definition of minor of an element: if D is the any determinant of order, then Mij is the minor of an element of the given determinant. Then by eliminating ith row and jth column, remaining part is the determinant of order n minus 1. Then values of this determinant is called minor of an element. This is a definition. This is the example. Okay. Then cofactor of an element. What is meant by cofactor of an element? Cofactor of an element: D is the any determinant of order, Mij is the minor of an element and Cij is the cofactor of an element. Then what is meant by cofactor of an element? Cofactor of an element Cij is equal to I minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij is called cofactor of an element. Minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. Suppose आता C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, M11 into M11. What is M11? 1. Then C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 into 1. C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 means positive 1 multiply by 1 and is equal to 1. Therefore, C11 in this example, C11 is equal to M11. Therefore, C11 is equal to also 1. Okay. Means what is the definition of cofactor of an element? This is the definition of minor of an element. Next article here, cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element means cofactor of an element. Understand here? Cofactor of an element. This is a Cij. This is a Cij. Therefore, C11 is equal to 1. Direct इथे लिहिता येईल. दोघाचा सम पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, दोघाचा सम जर इव्हन असेल तर Mij and Cij आर इक्वल. दोघाचा सम ऑड असेल तर मल्टिप्लाय बाय निगेटिव्ह साइन इन Mij. आता इथं काय असेल? 1 2 C12 ह्या दोघाचा सम 2 + 1 3 म्हणजे ऑड आहे. ऑड असेल तर मल्टिप्लाय बाय निगेटिव्ह साइन -4 येईल. C13 3 + 1 4 इवन आहे म्हणजे ॲजिटिव्ह ठेवून टाकायचं 9. ओके. M21 C21 2 + 1 3 ऑड आहे -4 आहे. ऑड असेल तर चेंज करा +4 झाला. C22 इज इक्वल टू 2 + 2 4 आहे. 4 आहे म्हणजे इवन आहे ॲजिटिव्ह ठेवा +4च. C23 2 + 3 5 म्हणजे ऑड आहे. ऑड असेल तर चेंज करायचे आहे. M23 4 आहे -4. C31 इज इक्वल टू 3 + 1 4 आहे म्हणजे ॲजिटिव्ह ठेवा -3. C32 ऑड आहे. C32 ऑड आहे चेंज करा 32 -12 आहे +12 आणि C33 इवन आहे ॲजिटिव्ह ठेवा -7. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज cofactor of an element. What is mean by cofactor of an element? Cofactor of an element is formula for cofactor of an element Cij is equal to -1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. Understand here? Means sum of these I plus j, sum of row and column are odd, then change the negative sign, and sum of sum of I and row and column are even, therefore IGT is of the given minor of an element. Minor of an element and cofactor of element are equal. Understand here, if I plus j is even and I plus j is odd, then multiply by negative sign in Mij, minor of an element. Okay, means definition of the cofactor of an element. If D is the any determinant of any order, D is the any determinant of any order, and Mij is the minor of an element of the given determinant, okay, and Cij is the cofactor of an element of the given determinant, then such that cofactor of an element Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij is called cofactor of an element, and it is denoted by Cij. Okay.